Hello, everyone. Welcome back to PyCode, and today, I'm thrilled to showcase an exciting project that harnesses the power of automation. In this video, we're going to explore. I developed a Python script that streamlines the entire lead generation process from Google Maps, efficiently manages the data using Google Sheets, and even crafts personalized email outreach messages using the ChatGPT API in combination with an email service. You might be wondering why I embarked on this journey. Well, in today's competitive business world, finding potential leads, keeping track of their information, and sending personalized outreach emails can be a daunting task. Automation offers a solution to this challenge.